Hello guys, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download videos from Pinterest. Let's go to the Pinterest. Select a video which you want to download. Let's try this with this one. Now tap on the three dot from the bottom and tap on copy link. You can see the link has been copied. Now go back, open a browser. In my case I am opening Google Chrome. On the search bar type Pinterest video downloader. Open the site. And in the search bar of this site, paste the link which you have copied from Pinterest and tap on the download button. Here you can see the video which we have copied. Tap on the video and tap on the three dot from the bottom and tap download. The video is ready to download. I think it has downloaded. Let's check this from the gallery. I am opening the gallery. And on the download section, here is the video. That was our today's video. I hope you like this. Give a thumbs up and share this with your friends. Have a good day.